let's simplify a radical expression where our index is not 2. Our index is greater than 2. So in this case, it's a cubed root. So remember, when we're going to reduce, now we're looking at, when it's numbers, we're looking at numbers in this column. And when we're talking about variables, we're looking for groups of 3. So first thing I like to do is to split it up. Let's split it up. Put the numbers under one radical, okay, making sure that this is still a cubed root. Let's put the x's under another radical, x to the 8th. And let's put the y's under its own radical, cubed root of y to the 6th. All right, the cubed root of 40. Okay, do I know the cubed root of 40? I come look at my cubes. I'm looking for 40. Do I know 40? No, I do not. So I can still possibly simplify it. I'm looking for one of these numbers that goes into 40. And you're going to notice that 8 goes into 40. 8 times 5. So let me rewrite this as the cubed root of 8 times the cubed root of 5. All right, and now I'm looking for groups of 3. All right, so x to the 8th, that's not groups of 3, but x to the 6th is. So there's x to the 6th, that's 2 groups of 3. And then what else? 6 and what give me 8? 2. Okay, so I took this x to the 8th and I split it up into 6 and 2. And now y to the 6th, well, hey, that's already in groups of 3. Okay, now let's take some things out of the radicals. What is the cubed root of 8? Well, I'll look over at my chart. The cubed root of 8 is 2. So cubed root of 8 is 2. No more radical. Take it out of the radical. Don't hold on to that radical. The whole point is to get it out. Do I know the cubed root of 5? No, I don't. 5 is stuck underneath. What is the cubed root of x to the 6th? How many groups of 3? 2. So 2 x's will come out. These 2 here are still stuck underneath. And then what about the cubed root of y to the 6th? How many groups of 3 do I have in there? 2. Okay, so I've simplified everything I can out of the radicals. All the stuff outside of the radicals will come in front. So this is 2x squared, y squared. And then what's left under this cubed root? I have a 5 and an x squared. 5x squared. Okay, now be careful when you write this and when you type it in the computer. This 3 right here, I see a lot of times that it just kind of disappears. So let me rewrite it and let's make sure it's a small 3 in there. All right, that's it.